So I'm going to go ahead and just pull up the previous print setup I had for the aligner models. And for fun, I'm just going to go ahead and leave that up here. Just a second. And so here is that same folder. And here is the transfer guide. This model 0 would be your initial model. 15 would be the final model positioned. Again, you could print those if you wanted for reference, but what all you really need clinically is this one. I'm going to drag and drop it. It's going to position it. Now, I guess I'll go ahead and I will delete the aligner models because technically it's a completely different resin. You would not print the tray out of the same resin that you would print these in. So just for sake of not leading to confusion, I'm going to go ahead and delete those. So here's how I like to print these. Right now, we're going to have to add some supports. And if you add supports on the bottom, it's going to affect the way it fits. So every software is different, but I'm just showing you in the Rayware software, which is for the SprintRay printers. I'm going to click on here. I'm going to turn around to the side, and I'm going to grab this. Now, if you hold the Shift button, it will turn it in 45-degree increments. This is how I like to have it. Basically 45 degrees from the inside of the ledge down. Okay? I'm going to come over here to supports. I'm going to leave them on medium, generate supports. And there we go. There is our print ready indirect bonding tray. Okay? Material wise, can use a few different materials. Sorry. Come up here. And I'm going to say you could use the SprintRay indirect bonding. You can use NextDents. I don't have this one logged in, but the SprintRay IDB resin is what I would recommend using in this software. Okay, IDB, indirect bonding. Okay, so that's it. Trying to think if there's anything else. I didn't export the other model, just the other tray, but I think you kind of get the point. If we look closely at this, we can see the actual channels that the brackets, sorry for the quick movements, slide into. There's even a little slot for the actual wire slot that will hold that bracket really well. Okay. Again, this is a flexible material, so it should be able to peel right out without any problem, but this should keep the bracket is positioned as perfectly as you can imagine, so that it is right where you wanted it to be. Okie doke. All right, that wraps up this series. Hopefully that's been helpful. If you are looking for more videos, just make sure you take a look at the rest of the videos on my YouTube channel, and hopefully they answer more questions, and I'll try to post more cases periodically. There are others as well, like Dr. Matthew Standridge, who also posts videos, particularly on the bracket side of digital orthodontics. And you can also visit my website, BaronGrutterDDS.com. You can find lots of videos, playlists, materials I use, and then also if you do want a hands-on course, I do have them listed there. But hopefully this video gives you a good amount of information to learn from. All right, thank you so much. Bye for now.